Every 15 to 30 days, thousands of children fight a silent battle, a disease called thalassemia major. They depend on blood transfusions just to stay alive. Thalassemia is commonly called a genetic blood disorder. The body fails to produce normal hemoglobin. Result: constant fatigue, stunted growth, and a lifetime of blood dependency. Regular transfusions cause iron overload. Patients then need iron chelators, medicines that cause side effects. Over time, organs like the liver and heart suffer. It's not a cure, it's a lifelong chain. But what if I told you there's a better way? A path that awakens the body's natural ability to produce blood? Welcome to Natural Immunotherapy. Natural immunotherapy doesn't fight symptoms. It corrects the root cause: weak bone marrow, poor liver metabolism, nutrient deficiencies, protein and toxin overload. We restore what your body is missing. Through 100% natural capsules like Bone Marrow Booster revives blood cell production, Liver Booster detoxifies and energizes, Immune Booster protects without a spleen, Spleen Booster for intact spleens, Tumor Breaker breaks down harmful protein nodes. Together they restore balance, safely, effectively. Meet Rajani, once 27 kilograms with transfusion every 15 days. After 18 months of natural immunotherapy, his weight rose to 42 kilograms. AB 10.2. He now lives transfusion-free. Even after a splenectomy, recovery is possible. We focus on supporting the liver and immune system to compensate. Results: stronger blood, fewer infections, longer life. We've already helped thousands live freely without the chains of transfusion. And we believe, together, we can make the world thalassemia-free. Don't wait for the next blood bank. Start a new life today. Contact us to begin natural immunotherapy for thalassemia.